How to contact crypto.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to contact support team on crypto.com. In order to contact support team on crypto.com, all you have to do is just open up your crypto.com and then log in into your account. Once logged in, you'll be able to see an icon located in the top right hand side corner of your screen. On the other interface, as soon as you do that, it's going to direct you to the help center page. So here you'll be able to see a bot. So all you have to do is just tap on send us a message. So once you tap on send us a message, so here you need to go ahead and follow the prompt. As soon as you do that, you'll be receiving an automated messages. So accordingly, you need to respond to it. So this was one of the ways to contact a support team. Apart from it, if you're unable to follow this procedure, then you can also directly get in help or get in touch with the customer service team through their official website. So all you have to do is just open up your Twitter and then head over to crypto.com customer support team. And once you're on the official page, click the icon located in the top right hand side corner, and then from there you can just go ahead and type in your request and you can submit it, and within 24 to 48 hours later they'll respond to your message. So this was another way to contact support team. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.